Hello, teacher.
Potato, sorry. I was out for a few minutes. Now here, let's go back to our activity. So again, Potato, you're going
Yeah.
to, this one is the right answer. This one is the wrong one, okay? So again, number one, Potato, what's the answer? The monster's arms are very short. Right or wrong? Can you draw lines going to the basket?
Right.
Okay, right. Draw lines like this. Can you do like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
The monster is having a cup.
Okay, the
Yeah.
monster is holding a cup. You said it right. Number three.
Then the flower on the stomach.
Okay, there is a flower on one monster's stomach. Okay, that's
The
wrong.
robot has
Okay, the
left.
robot that's outside the house is laughing. Next, number five. You can see a monster.
Thôi đừng làm thì tớ
Number
bẩn nó
six.
sẽ đi.
No, next right.
Bị nhắc con đấy.
Right.
Rồi điều mẹ nó đóng cái đấy vào chưa cần. Hôm nay
Okay,
hôm nay.
so are you done? Let's check.
Yeah.
Okay. Number one, the monster's arms are very short. Let's check. Oy, look at here. Arms are very short. That is, wait, red for the third word. Their arms are not short. Their arms are long. Look at here, oh. Arms are long. That's why it's wrong. Next. One of the monster is holding a cup. Very good. That's right. Three. There is a flower on the monster's stomach. Oy, very good. That's wrong. Number four. The robot that's outside the house is laughing. It's very good. It's still wrong. Number five. You can see a monster on the round roof. Very good, Potato. And number six, the monster next the door is wearing a pair of shoes. Oh, that's right. Look up here, Potato. Look at the
Okay.
monster. Can you see it? The
Yeah.
monster is wearing a good. So careful, Potato. You have to look at the picture. Okay, now here, Potato. Do you want to color? Do you want
Yeah.
to color? Okay. Now here, Potato. Color the monster on the roof blue. Color the monster on the roof blue.
No, don't meet me.
Okay. Potato, monster on the roof. Roof. Blue on the roof.
Penny.
Okay. Okay, next. Potato. Color the robot red. Color the robot red. Next, potato. Color the stars yellow. The stars color that yellow.
Hả? Thế đi ở
Stars.
đâu mà?
Where's the
Tết
star?
đi đâu
Give
mà?
the star yellow. There are two stars. Color holding the ball. Color the monster holding the flag purple.
What?
Color the monster that's holding the flag purple. Purple. Violet. Holding the
What?
flag. Look, the monster that's holding the flag. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Purple.
Purple. Yeah.
We finished the unit potato. Now let's move to unit 7. Okay? With me,
Yeah.
let's share unit 7. Okay. So potato, what is unit 7 all about? What?
What's the weather like?
Okay, what's the weather like? Okay, here, look at the picture potato. What can you see in this picture?
I see the sun and the river.
Okay, a sun. Next here, what do you think is the weather like in the picture? What's the weather? It's a
Sunny.
sunny day. Great job. Here, potato, these are examples of weather. Oh, when we talk about weather, there's rain or snow. We say it's raining or it's snowing. Okay? Now here, when we talk about sun, clouds, and wind, we can say it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's
Windy.
windy. Oh, that's what we will say if someone will ask you, what's the weather like? Okay, potato, can you see the pictures here?
Yeah.
Okay, we have here, what's the first picture? A
Cloud.
coat. Second, cloud.
Cloud.
The wind.
Wind.
Next, fourth. What's fourth?
A kangaroo.
What's the fifth one? What's the fifth one? It's
A kangaroo.
fifth one. Next to kangaroo,
Rain.
down. Rain. Next. Back. Star. Moon. Oh, you draw the missing pictures.
The moon.
Yeah. Can you draw it? Can you draw a rain at the moon?
Yeah.
Very good. Potato. What did you draw? What are the three pictures you draw? First is the, what's the first one? Clouds. Second,
Rain.
rain. The third one, and the moon. Okay, great job. You were able to do it perfectly. Okay, let's have movers tip. Okay, so potato. In reading and writing part 1, you have to match the pictures of nouns with their definitions. Point out the answers that usually come from 3 different picture sets. You should know that one of the picture is not needed for one answer. Okay, potato, look at here. Please read number 1. You can see.
You can see them and the star about you at night.
Okay, you can see this and the stars above you at night. What can we see in the nighttime? Is it clouds, wind, kangaroo, rain, bat, scarf, or moon?
Moon.
Moon. Okay, you draw lines, you draw lines. Okay, it's the moon. Okay, next number 2, potato. Read number 2.
They can only fly at night. People will afraid them.
Okay, afraid of them. These only fly at night and some people are afraid of them. Your answer is? What's your answer? Bat. Okay. Next, number 3. When you walk,
When you walk, the cold get wet.
your clothes get wet. Clothes. Your clothes get wet. What's the answer? The wind. If you go out and if it's windy, you will get wet. Are you sure? If you go out from the house and the weather is windy, do you get wet?
With me.
Okay. What's your answer? Cloud? Do you get wet with the cloud?
No.
Okay, try to find where to find. Okay, what's your answer again? It's the cloud. Okay, next. Number 4.
The animal can hop.
And? This animal can hop and it lives in a hot, sunny country. Your answer is kangaroo. Next, number 5. Number 5. It's a good. Please read, please read.
The birds are just running around in colder days.
You read properly. It's a good idea to wear this around your neck on colder days. Oh, you answers clouds? Do you wear clouds? Let's try to find.
No.
Okay, change answer. You wear this around your neck if it's cold. It's a cool place. Okay, a scarf. Number 6. These are, please read.
These are white and gray with some snow fall from them.
Falls from them. There's S. Okay. Okay, potato, ready to check? Are you ready to check? Okay, here we go. Okay, number 1. You can see this in the stars above at night. The answer is very good. It's a moon. Next, number 2. These only fly at night and some people are afraid of them. Correct. Bats. Next, number 3. When you walk in this weather, your clothes get wet. What's the answer? It's the? What's the word? It's? What is it? What makes you wet when you walk outside the house? It's the? Look at your answer. Your answer is correct. What is that? You just have to read. It's the?
In me. Rain.
Very good. It's a rain. Number 4. This animal can hop and it lives in a hot, sunny country. Kangaroo is correct. Number 5. It's a good idea to wear this round your neck on colder days. What's the answer?
Scarf.
Scarf. Very good. Number 6. These are white or gray and sometimes snow falls from them. Very great. Okay. Good job. Clouds is the correct answer. Great job, potato. You got perfect. It means you understand this. Okay. Potato, let's have this one. Let's try to write the missing words in numbers 1 and 2. Okay?
My iPad don't write.
Right. Okay. Don't worry. Teacher will write for you. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Listen.
7C. What's the weather like? Charlie and Lily's favourite weather. 1,
Oh no! It's raining. I don't like the rain
Really? Why, Charlie?
because I can't ride my bike to school when it's raining.
Oh, do you like sunny weather then?
Yes, I love sunny weather.
Okay, potato. Charlie likes blank weather. What weather do you think?
Sunny.
Sunny. Okay, teacher will write. Okay, next here. Charlie likes sunny weather because when it is blank, he can't. When it is, what's the missing word in number 1? Is it windy
You
or?
listen again.
Okay, listen again. Okay, Whitney.
what's the weather like? Charlie and Lily's favourite weather. 1,
Oh no! It's raining. I don't like the rain
Really? Why, Charlie?
because I can't ride my bike to school when it's raining.
Oh, do you like sunny weather then?
Yes,
Potato, what are the missing? Charlie likes sunny weather because when it is blank, what weather does Charlie doesn't like? He doesn't like raining. Okay, waiting. Raining. Why he doesn't like raining? Because when it is raining, he cannot ride his bike. Okay, ride his bike. Okay, next. Okay, let's do number 2. Okay, listen number 2.
I love sunny weather.
2,
Are you happy today, Lily?
Yes, I'm happy because it's windy today.
Why do you like windy weather?
Because I need the wind to fly my kite.
Okay, potato. Lily is happy when it is. What weather does Lily like?
Windy.
Windy. Okay, waiting. Windy. Okay, Lily is happy when it is windy because she needs the blank. What does she need? She needs the?
Cut.
She needs the kite? Oh, what does she needs to use if she wants to fly her kite? Wind. Okay. Wind to fly her bike. What's the answer? Fly her.
Cut.
Okay. Here. Potato. Let's read potato. Number 1. Please read the answer number 1. Charlie, go.
Charlie likes sunny weather because it's rainy. He can ride his bike to school.
2.
Lily is happy when it's windy because she needs the wind to fly her kite.
Okay, let's check. Number 1, Charlie likes sunny. Correct. Weather because when it is raining, he can ride his bike to school. Perfect. Number 2, Lily is happy when it is windy, correct? Because she needs the wind to fly her kite. Perfect. Very good, Potato. Great job. It means that you listened well to the audio. Okay? That's great. Now here, Potato. In speaking part 2, you look at the pictures and tell the story. If you can talk about the pictures by answering the questions below, you will have a good description for each picture to tell the story. Okay? So these are the example. Okay, here. Look at the weather, Potato. Complete the first part of the story. Look at the picture. It's a blank day. What do you think? What day do you think is that? What kind of weather?
Sunny.
Sunny? Oh, it is a
Cloudy.
cloudy day at Vicky's. What is that?
And growing.
What's the answer? Vicky's
Is school.
school. Vicky's in her painting.
Vicky in her painting.
Painting.
Class.
Ah, she's thinking, what can I?
What can I do?
Oh, what can I draw? Okay, look at here.
Draw.
Okay, pick Potato. How many people can we see in the picture? How many people can we see in the picture?
4.
There are 4. How many 4s? Are you sure 4? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 people. And what are they doing in the picture, Potato? They are?
But
That's
But
one, but there's no people. You cannot see the person, only the drawing. Okay, Potato, what are they doing in the picture? They are
painting.
painting.
Drawing.
Oh, painting and drawing. What do you think is Vicky thinking? Vicky is busy thinking. What do you think it is? She's thinking about
A
what do you think?
mountain
She
and
thinks.
a flower.
Look at Vicky. Vicky is looking at the board. Why do you think she's looking at the board? She said, what can I?
What can I draw?
Oh, very good. So since Vicky is in her painting class, and look at what you can see at Vicky's face, she is still thinking on what can she draw. Okay, very good, Potato. Alright, so we will just end there and we will continue the story next meeting. So next meeting, Potato, I will be asking you what can you see in the picture, okay? So that you would be able to practice telling stories, okay? Based on what you see. Alright, so Potato, that would be all for today. You can take a rest now and goodbye. See you next time, Potato. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.